Hey, what's up? It's D, God USA. Yet another crazy random place we have found next to the highway in Vinton, Texas. I could spend all day here. Unfortunately, I have like 20 minutes to explore this place, which bums me out. Crazy. Look at over there. It's actually like part of a church steeple that is for sale. This place is everything. Tin roof ceilings, vintage shell-back chairs, old, look at over here, these old refrigerators. Those are cool. Visible pumps, metal sculptures, giant dinosaur statues. Everything. Under the sun. And given patina by the desert sun. A boat over here, the Siesta. I literally could spend all day here. Part of an old water tower. These carriages here, man, these are very, very, very old. Old ice machine too. The land of misfit corvettes. This really is a Corvette graveyard. Here's what you see from the highway. A metal giraffe, a T-Rex, like a mariachi band it looks like. All in that trailer. Can't miss this place from I-10 between Las Cruces and El Paso. Some of the stuff I don't even know what it is. Obviously an old washer there. It's kind of cool. You too could own a giant ant for $795. These are actually really cool. If I had the money and the means to transport one, I might try to haggle. Look at this clock tower here. This is probably in someone, you know, some town, some quaint town somewhere. Or in an old train station, perhaps. Look at these lights, too. Those must be very, very valuable. More mermaids. Mermaids, Buddhas, and wild boars. Oh my. And a kangaroo for good measure. Just not enough time to check it all out. Too much weirdness and or coolness. I'm kind of bummed that I have to fly back home. And this is the last thing I'm seeing. but glad I'm at least getting to see some of it. Forty, love. Actually, it's golf. I thought it was tennis. Same attire. And I haven't even gone inside. Look at the size of that fireplace. Crazy. And look at this chandelier. Oh my God. Thing's like 15 feet across. It's like a spaceship. Holy crap. Mind-blowing. And I'm bummed, like I said, that I have to leave. It's the Whoopee Bowl Antique Mall. By far, and I'll say it again, by far the best, coolest, funkiest, weirdest one I have ever been to. Get 'em, Deke. Odd USA, RelaxShacks.com. Thanks for checking it out. Please subscribe. See you later.